153.
So, si 153 started, kami po kasi as owners, we really love to drink coffee. So, yung asawa ko po ay nag-aral ng barista. And then, after po nun, that's when we planned na, ba't hindi tayo mag-put up ng isang coffee shop? Nung una po kaming nag-umpisa dyan, we only sell like, kunwari, mga 5 cups, ganyan, 5 to 10 cups. But now, we are making minimum 50 to 100 cups per day. And then we also tap the avenue of having coffee carts for events, ganyan. Ang mga best sellers natin is sea salt latte, Spanish latte, and then also we have the 153 special. Before pa kaming nag-business, Converge user na talaga kami sa aming bahay. Dahil nga nagnegosyo na kami, so syempre why not use Converge? Kumbaga parang yun na yung naging kasama mo, way of life mo. So pati sa business. As you see, no, emerging trends na ang mga customers natin would want to go to coffee shops because they would use the internet for their work or for the access of many things. Free yung Wi-Fi pag nag-dine-in sila. And then also, may mga situations na pag may brownout, ganyan, or ano, they can also go there. Far naman, maganda naman because I think aside from the coffee that we are offering them, yung convenient, no? Yung convenient, lahat ng kailangan ng customers ngayon, meron ka. Kasi yun ngayon yung pinupuntahan ng mga tao. Aside from yung Instagrammable, yung place, so easy access then for the internet. Kami po, aside from yung internet na binibigay natin sa mga customers natin, also we are using it for our system. So, ganun po kahalaga yung paggamit ng Converge sa amin on our part kasi we're using it for our POS, we're using it for our parang lahat to make things easy. Very important talaga na meron kang magandang connection with your internet and then also yung reliable, yung hindi biglang nawawala, ganon. So, I believe Converge offers that.